Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing the moon is gone. Not exploded, not destroyed, just replaced. Within hours, oceans would start behaving strangely. Tides would rise higher than ever recorded. Some coastlines would disappear before sunrise. Nights would turn unnaturally bright or completely black. Earth's climate would begin to break. Earthquakes, superstorms, planet-wide chaos. And here's the terrifying part. Some moons wouldn't just damage Earth. They'd eventually end life on it. This is what would really happen if we swapped our moon with other moons in the solar system. And no, you're not surviving most of these. Let's start with a moon so massive it would dominate the sky itself. Meet Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan isn't just big, it's enormous. It's the second largest moon in the entire solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. But unlike Mercury, Titan is frozen solid. Its surface temperature sits around minus 180 degrees Celsius. And strangely, it looks familiar. Titan has rivers, lakes, even seas. But there's a catch. None of it is water. It's liquid methane. If Titan replaced our moon, the change would be immediate. Our nights wouldn't glow silver anymore. Instead, Earth would be bathed in a thick, hazy orange twilight. Titan is about 1.5 times wider than our moon and wrapped in a massive nitrogen-rich atmosphere. In the sky, it wouldn't look sharp and rocky. It would loom overhead like a giant, glowing orange orb. At first, that's just creepy. Then gravity takes over. Titan is 80% more massive than our moon. That extra mass means stronger tidal forces. On Earth, that's a nightmare. High tides would rise far higher than anything we've ever seen. Coastal cities would flood twice a day, every day. Shorelines would erode rapidly. Storms would grow more violent. Entire coastlines would vanish. Like and subscribe for more what-if secrets. Owning beachfront property? Yeah, forget it. Titan wouldn't survive this swap either. Closer to the sun, its methane lakes would evaporate. Its icy crust would begin to melt, revealing a massive ocean hidden beneath the surface. If life exists there, this could be one of the greatest discoveries in history. But Titan has low gravity. Over millions of years, it would slowly lose its atmosphere and water to space, drying out, and becoming just as cold and lifeless as our own moon. Next up, something even bigger. This is Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon. The largest moon in the entire solar system. It's also the only moon with its own magnetic field. In Earth's sky, Ganymede would shine brilliantly. Its icy surface reflects far more sunlight than our moon. Great for night vision, terrible for astronomers. But brightness isn't the real problem. Ganymede is twice as massive as our moon. Its gravity would unleash planet-wide megatides. Coasts would flood, waves would grow violent, storm systems would intensify. Worse still, its tidal pull could stress Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions around the globe. Ironically, Ganymede would stabilize Earth's tilt, eliminating ice ages entirely. That is, if anything survived long enough to enjoy it. As Ganymede warms under stronger sunlight, its thick ice crust would begin to melt. Beneath it lies a deep saltwater ocean, possibly hundreds of kilometers below the surface. It might destroy Earth, but become an ocean world of its own. Now let's talk about a true nightmare. Io. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Hundreds of volcanoes, molten sulfur lava, constant eruptions. Swapped into Earth's orbit, Io would glow in the night sky, its volcanoes visible even through small telescopes. Next, Europa, one of the most famous moons ever discovered. Beneath Europa's icy crust lies a massive subsurface ocean, possibly deeper than all of Earth's oceans combined. Europa would reflect far more light than our moon, but its lower mass would weaken Earth's tides. Over millions of years, Earth's tilt would destabilize, causing extreme climate swings. But before that, Europa would be just 3 days away. Close enough for humans to explore, close enough to search for life beneath its ice. For a brief window in history, we might answer the biggest question of all. Are we alone? Now, meet the rebel moon, Triton. Triton orbits Neptune backward, a retrograde orbit. Swapped into Earth's system, it would dramatically weaken tides and destabilize Earth's climate over time. But Triton would put on a show. It erupts ice volcanoes, blasting frozen material kilometers into space. Night after night, we'd watch our moon erupt ice into the darkness. As Triton warms, its frozen nitrogen and methane would vaporize, forming a hazy atmosphere, maybe even a comet-like tail. Eventually, it would fade away. Now imagine something worse. Replacing our moon with Mars' tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. These aren't real moons. They're barely captured rocks. Nighttime would become pitch black. Moonlight would disappear. Ocean tides would collapse. Marine ecosystems would fail. And over millions of years, Earth's tilt would wobble wildly. Even worse, Phobos is slowly falling. Given enough time, it would crash into Earth. An impact larger than the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. Extinction. Finally, Enceladus. A brilliant white ice moon, spraying water vapor into space. It would light up the night sky beautifully, but it's too small. Weak tides, unstable climate, long-term planetary chaos. Eventually, its ice would melt, possibly revealing another hidden ocean. In the end, swapping our moon sounds exciting, but whether they're too big or too small, most moons would destroy Earth. So as incredible as they are, I think we'll stick with what we have, because sometimes the most boring option is the one keeping you alive. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to discover more incredible what-if secrets.